Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Palak and I'd love if you hit the red subscribe button and push the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you still haven't watched my last YouTube video, so the link will be in the description box below. And today I'll be sharing some easy tips and tricks to grow your hair long and fast. So let's get into the video. So first of all, my first tip is which is to drink a lot, like a lot of water, which helps in everything from your hair to your skincare, everything. So drink a lot of water. I have a list of everything, so if I look down, please bear with me. Yeah. So secondly, my tip is to start combing your hair from the ends rather than from the roots, because when you start combing from the ends, you get rid of the tangles which are at the bottom first, and then you can move upwards. So like let me like show you guys, just a second. This is my hairbrush, it's a wooden brush. So like what I do is I start combing from the ends, and then I go like from the ends, I work my way up to the top. So like when I reach to the top, my all like tangles are out and it's smooth. So like you get it, like if you start combing from here, so your hair will fall out from the roots, which we don't want. So yeah, my third tip for you is that make sure like to get trims, but like not like 2-3 inches, but like if you have split ends or if you have damaged hair, make sure to get them chopped, because if you don't get them chopped, it'll get worse and worse and worse. And if the split ends, it's just so horrible. Like fourth tip for you is that do not use heat and chemicals on your hair, because like it damages your hair so much, like really, like it's the worst thing you can do to your hair. So like try to cut back heat. I know everybody says that, but you gotta use heat sometimes. But if you use heat, please make sure to use heat protectant first. So yeah. And then my next tip is that don't use shampoos which contain sulfate or silicone. Those are the worst chemicals for your hair. So my sixth hair care tip for you is that use a hair mask or a hair oil once a week. If once a week is not possible for you, please try to like use hair masks or hair oils at least once in 2 weeks. So like you have to do it if you want to grow your hair and you want to see results, and like that's good for your hair, so why not? So my seventh hair care tip for you is that please, if possible, if you're not running late, try to let your hair air dry instead of using a blow dryer. Like let it air dry. I promise you'll see results, but they won't be like drastic results, but they'll help you a lot. So like I do not blow dry my hair. Like I rarely blow dry my hair, like when I'm running really late. Like I I run late all the time, but like I prefer not using the blow dryer. So yeah. So my next tip for you is that like use the shampoo on your scalp, because like don't use it on your ends, because when you shampoo on the top, like if you pour the water, so like you get wet, right? So like so sare baal soak ho jata hai, so there's no sense to damage your ends. Do not shampoo your ends. I prefer not shampooing it, but when I've applied hair oil or hair mask, something like that, I shampoo the bottom also, because I want them to look not oily. Yeah. So what I do is I shampoo the scalp and I condition the length. So like this is my length. I can show it to you. So this is my length. I know the ends look really bad, but yeah, they come till my waist. Like yeah. Tip for you guys is that please do not comb your hair when it's wet. Again, because it's the most fragile when your hair is wet. What I prefer doing is, if I feel very irritated by the tangles, I use a wide comb to like just brush a little bit of it out. But mostly what I do is I let it air dry and then I use my hairbrush to like just comb it. I do not brush my hair or comb my hair when it's wet. I prefer not combing it, but it's up to you. My next tip for you is that when you're sleeping at night, normally what people do is just like, some of the people I know is they prefer keeping their hair open at the night and sleeping like that. I could never do that to my hair, to be very honest, because like, I just cannot do that. I cannot do that to my hair. I know if I do that in the morning, I look like a like, I do not do that. Like, I look like a bird's like nest. Like, seriously, not even kidding. Yeah, so I was talking about, when you sleep at night, try wear the hairstyles which protect your hair from getting tangled and frizzy. Like, I prefer braiding it at the night. That's my go-to hairstyle. Even if like, I always braid it, I don't even tie it in a bun. Like, I cannot go to bed with a bun or a pony or like letting it be open. I just have to sleep with a braid because it helps in like preventing breakage and tangles. Like, I too love braiding my hair at night. So my 12th tip for you guys would be using a silk pillowcase instead of a cotton pillowcase, because when we sleep at night we toss and turn and it creates friction with the pillowcase and our head, which creates breakage, and we don't want that. So using a silk pillowcase prevents that. Yeah. So my next tip for you guys would be using the oils which promote hair growth and stimulates hair growth. So those oils are peppermint oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil. So yeah. And finally, a secret or like a big thing which helped was doing the inversion method. So inversion method is a thing in which you have to massage your head for 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes or not less than 5 minutes, at least once in 2 weeks. Like, what you have to do is you have to toss your hair. Like, I'll show it to you guys. What you have to do is take all your hair and like put it in front of you like this, and you just have to massage like this for 5 minutes, and like, trust me, you will see amazing results. Like, it works more when you have oil on your scalp. Like, it stimulates more hair growth. Like, this inversion method helped me a lot, like, not even kidding. So battery just died, so yeah. As inversion method helps a lot. Oiling your hair helps a lot. Using hair masks, and another thing I use is this. Like, it's a head massager, I guess that's what we call it. That's what I call it. So yeah, it's a head massager. Like, what you do is this, and it's so relaxing, and it's like, it stimulates hair growth, and I just ruined my hair. Yeah. So it helps with regulating blood circulation, same as inversion method. So I prefer using this and inversion method both. They both regulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. So lastly, I'd like to say, things don't happen overnight. Like, you have to wait for everything. You have to work for everything. Like, if you want to see hair results, do the best what's best for your hair, and like, take care of them. Like, these are my babies. Like, I take care of them the most, like, not even kidding. I love my hair and I love to take care of it. So I just wanted to say that, like, please wait for results. They won't happen overnight. And that's all for this video. I know it was pretty long, but yeah, these were all my hair tips and tricks, like how to grow your hair really long, really fast. Not fast, like you have to wait. Yeah. So if you made it so far, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.